And then, that tooth, that tooth, that tooth, that tooth. Oh my gosh, two.
If you turn out the light, I'll give you this stinky room. Turn it off your light. Sleep. I couldn't sleep very well because of the thunder rumbling. I got lifted up in the air because of the thunder. I was literally lifted 2 inches off the ground because there's a rumbling thunder that shakes the whole trailer. And I was like lifted. I was lifted up to here.
I can't believe ya. And I got $1.
Well, you can't believe me, but I believe myself.
Okay, I got $2. Now I got 3 from the Tooth Fairy. I don't know how, guys. Bye, love you.